project for Texas Instruments India Design Contest 2015 is smart and barrier-free toll tax system. The toll tax system prevalent in India is time-consuming, economically inefficient and leads to fuel wastage. If we go for statistics, already a very large sum of money is wasted on fuel, leading to adverse effects on economy. Moreover, the smoke generated by vehicles, as they have to stand in long queue, often on toll booth, adds to the adversity, causing hazardous effects to environment. Hence, the proposed system optimizes fuel consumption and saves people's time and paves the way to create awareness among people regarding air pollution. The toll collection system is divided into analysis and communication unit. The analysis unit will determine the total amount to be charged, whereas the communication unit will communicate with the server. First, a vehicle with valid RFID card and limited smoke enters the toll plaza. As the vehicle enters, the ultrasonic sensor detects its presence and correspondingly the buzzer rings, which indicates the arrival of the vehicle in the plaza. As the vehicle proceeds, the driver is cautioned to slow down the speed via the message displayed on the LCD. The RFID card reader reads the RFID card and the number of the RFID card is sent to microcontroller MSP430G2553 via UART communication. Meanwhile, the pressure exerted on the pressure pad is calculated and the value is sent to ADC of MSP430G2553. The output of the pressure pad is also sent to TI comparator IC LM358, which compares it and correspondingly the LED glows. Now we are demonstrating the working of the smoke sensor module. As the smoke is introduced to the smoke sensor module, the output is sent to the Texas Instruments comparator IC LM358, which will glow the green LED correspondingly. As the gas is introduced to the smoke sensor module, the output is sent to the comparator IC and hence the green LED glows. The output of it is also sent to the ADC of microcontroller G2553. The final amount to be deducted from vehicle owner's account is processed in G2553 controller depending upon the extent of smoke emitted and pressure exerted by the vehicle. The RFID number and toll price is sent to F5529 for further processing using UART communication. MSP430G2553 and F5529 are used to speed up the processing and construct a system analogous to multi-threading. F5529 controller communicates to the server through GPRS of SIM900 module and transmits RFID number and final text to the server. The GPRS module is used to establish connection between toll plaza and the remote server. The server also holds the database containing information of vehicle owner and RFID corresponding to the driver of vehicle.
Now, moving on to the server part of our project. Server is nothing but a Java code which serves the request of a client. Client in this case is GPRS module. GPRS module sends the RFID as well as the toll text which should be deducted. This is further connected to a common database. Common database is being kept to speed up the toll text collection system. Next, the second vehicle enters having insufficient balance in account. As the vehicle enters the plaza, its RFID number is detected. Since The vehicle owner doesn't have sufficient balance, the barrier would fall, thereby restricting the vehicle to go forward and leading it to the diversion path as instructed on the LCD panel. The vehicle then reaches recharge panel, where the driver is supposed to recharge his account. The recharge panel consists of an interactive manual graphical user interface for account recharge. We are connected to SIEM database via GUI 2. SIEM database is appended, so this system could even be universally accepted. Here in the GUI, if I click on the toll text system, I would be connected to remotely based server. And if I enter RFID into it and press enter, the RFID is being fetched by the server. And if I enter amount into it and press enter, the amount is being fetched by the server. And when I click on the pay button, the database at the server would be appended. Next, the third vehicle enters, which doesn't have a RFID tag. This vehicle is then diverted to recharge panel for cash or card payment. This GUI is for non-RFID vehicles. Non-RFID vehicle can select the cash payment. You can see cash payment selected over here, or card payment. If I click on pay, the payment will be done. Payment done.
Now, the first vehicle enters with valid RFID card. When the vehicle reaches the plaza, its toll collection parameters are calculated and sent to server. The transaction details are being sent to user via message.